We want to have a position in each of our clients' lives where we become a trusted advisor and they feel that they can turn to us in the future, their family can turn to us, and we'll be there to provide them the services that they need. My name is Michael Gerity. I'm one of the founding partners of the law firm of Israel Gerity.
My name is Kyle Israel. I partnered with my friend Mike Gerity, and we started this firm in 2002.
We're a Phoenix area law firm that serves most of Maricopa County. Our law firm handles a broad spectrum of legal services. I handle estate planning, Medicaid, which is under the name Altex here in Arizona. I handle probate, trust administration, special needs planning, elder law, small business representation, intellectual property services, as well as bankruptcy. Kyle, on the other hand, handles personal injury work, construction defect, and insurance bad faith claims. I think with that broad spectrum of services, Kyle and I are able, through the firm, to provide what is really a one-stop shop for most of our clients.
We founded our firm after I had worked for 7 years at a larger litigation firm, and I felt like in order to serve clients directly and to help people more individually, we need to be a little bit smaller.
There was a lot of pressure to bill more and more hours, and that didn't feel right to me. It seemed like everybody was putting profit above the best interests of the clients.
And we started this firm in 2002 to provide direct personal contact with our clients and to handle those cases from beginning to end, rather than as a broad team where you only are a piece of a puzzle.
We've established a set of core values that I think are very important in driving this firm towards the kind of business that we want to run and providing the right services for our clients. The first core value is to deliver value first, profit second. Our next core value is for us to set and follow high standards. We produce excellent work product, our work is impeccable, and we produce it on time with no errors or misstatements. The next core value is that we do great work that supports a great life. Work is important, but only where it provides meaning in our lives. The next core value is that it's very important to us to be honest and transparent with our clients and everybody else that we deal with. And then finally, we are always seeking to learn and grow, and then we strive to teach what we learn to others, including our clients.
Our objectives with clients is basically to get them the best result for their intended purpose. If somebody comes in and they need a claim addressed, we look at not just what are their legal rights, but what are the economics of the circumstance. For example, do we want to represent someone where it's going to cost them more to get a result than it's going to be worth? So we look at a lot of things and not just the legal aspects.
The team here at Israel Gerity, and we really are a team, is unique specifically because of the staff.
Our staff is highly educated, and it's going to be the same people you talk to each time you call in. They're going to know what your case is about. They're going to know what the issues are. And when you talk to us, the lawyers, you're going to know you're talking to one of two people that have combined 60 years experience in litigation and transactional matters. We've been there, done that, and we know what your issue is, and we have a strategy and a plan for you. Our client relationship isn't just to be a hired gun to go out and handle the legal issues for the client. Certainly we're going to do that. But also it's to communicate with the client so the client is aware of everything that's going on and isn't surprised by any twists or turns as we go along. We're going to tell you what's happening, what the factors are that you need to consider. And those aren't just the legal issues. How does this affect your life? How does it affect your relationships? How does it affect your finances? You're with us side by side the whole way.
Israel Gerity is a small firm. We're considered a boutique type firm. But Kyle and I both came from that big firm environment. And really our goal from the beginning of forming this firm has been to provide those big firm levels of legal services, but to do so with a level of client attention and communication that you're really only going to get from a smaller size firm like ours.
The larger the firm gets, the more overloaded each lawyer gets, the more distant the lawyer becomes from the specific client on a specific case. And if we take your case, it means you're going to have that personal contact with us directly, and you're going to have that personal focus and communication that we'll provide that you'll never get at the medium or large firms. If I was hiring a lawyer, I would want someone with a lot of experience, who's been there, who knows the objectives to meet, who knows all of the legal issues, who thinks outside of the box, and who's going to be focused on my case. that I would hire me. I wouldn't hire somebody who then says, hey, yeah, come on in. You're going to meet with my associate over here and his paralegal, and they've got 50 other cases. I don't want them to handle my case because I'm not going to get them on the phone. I'm not going to get their attention. I'm ultimately going to find out that something I told them they didn't remember and it was crucial and it cost me in my case. That's not going to happen here.
Now, if you need legal services or help with any kind of legal matter, we have really gone out of our way to make sure that we're easy to reach. Our phones are answered 24 hours a day. We have contact forms on our website, or you can reach out to us through social media, such as Facebook, or through our Google business listing, or even by text message. So give us a call. Come in, have a conversation, and let us know what's important to you and what you need.
The most satisfying thing with respect to doing this every day is meeting new people under tough circumstances where they have a significant problem, helping them ultimately solve that problem. It might not get solved in a few months, it might not get solved in a year, but ultimately getting there. If we're taking your case, we think we can solve it, and we will based on our experience.